Hey everyone, welcome back to Job Web Portal United States. Today job update came from Altair Company. They are recruiting for the post of General Manufacturing Engineer in Michigan of United States. Watch this video till end. I will tell you the entire job information and what are the job responsibility and how you can apply for this job. If you are watching this channel first time, then subscribe to this channel to get the upcoming job information immediately. If you want upcoming job information ASAP, then type jobwebportal.com on Google to get upcoming job information. Get started. If we talk about job responsibility, you will have to collaborate with product development team to generate facility and tooling costs, improve quality, and reduce labor requirements. You will have to use virtual tools to evaluate tooling feasibility of new model designs. For assembly operations, you will have to write, modify, maintain process sheets, and deliver updated cycle line layouts. You will have to lead identification, resolution, and closure of final assembly engineering feasibility issues. You will have to develop and foster working relationships with new and existing tooling vendors to develop new processes or equipment, and to continuously improve the equipment we have already deployed. You will have to develop, design, and build scopes of work associated with program upper body tooling, along with installation scopes of work. If we talk about the qualification and experience, you need to have a 3D CAD review abilities, Teamcenter, Vis Mockup, Cascia, or equivalent. You need to have an understanding of PFMEA and failure mode avoidance principles. You need to have experience in interior, exterior, chassis automotive systems. You need to have a strong project management skills and result-oriented mindset. You need to have a strong computer skills. You need to have an ability to operate in stressful situations within timing constraints. You need to have an ability to work with minimal direct supervision. You need to have a 2+ years of experience in automotive manufacturing engineering. You need to have a 2+ years of experience with automotive assembly tooling, processes, and facilities. You need to have a bachelor degree in engineering. Link is in description. You can apply directly if you want. If you have any doubt, then you can comment below. I will meet you in the next video with the next job update.